All right, let's get overseas and check with our man, Tom Belger. Tom, we're seeing U.S. markets rally a little bit in the pre-market. How is Europe looking?
Yeah, similar story in Europe. It seems to be the mood's lifting off the back of a coronavirus treatment trial going on at the University of Oxford. Promising language now from the WHO on it. They've said today this new steroid trial is a life-saving scientific breakthrough. Britain's health minister also saying it's one of the best bits of news that we've had in this crisis so far. And I don't think those are terms they'd be throwing about lightly. They say it's the first trial that's reduced death rates amongst severely ill people already on ventilators. And that's continuing the rally off the back of US retail sales yesterday. One other major bit of news worth throwing in from the UK today, inflation figures this morning coming in at 0.5%, down from 0.3%, 0.8% even last month. That's the lowest since 2016. Analysts, though, say it gives the bank a bit more space for stimulus. They meet on Thursday, and the expectation is we're going to see at least another $125 billion of bond buying stimulus. Brian.
Tom, I woke up this morning and I saw Fiat Chrysler and BMW catching a bid. Anything out there on the auto front?
Yeah, interesting new data out this morning, worth mentioning. They had, I think it's more than 50% down the sales for European car makers in May. You can read that one of two ways, depending on whether you're a glass half full, glass half empty kind of person, because it's actually well up on the previous month when it was down at more than 78%, but still some pretty catastrophic figures for an industry that was struggling already before the crisis. And there is some good news, though, worth saying as well, coming out today. Slump is one thing, but the European governments across Europe are trying to do what they can to step in, linking new subsidies and support and other measures. In Germany today, we saw doubling of incentive for electric car sales. And those kind of issues are potentially quite significant support for the industry. Spain and France also stepping in recent weeks to support their car makers. Back to you, Brian.
All right, Tom Belger, thank you.